Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix fail to accept family invite error on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This error usually happens when Steam cannot verify that both accounts are part of the same household network, which is required for Steam family sharing. Let's go through the steps to fix it properly. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, log into your friend's Steam account. Once logged in, click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Family and you will see the option to create or join a Steam family. From here, your friend can send an invitation to your account. The most important part is that both accounts must be on the same household network. Steam checks for this to verify that accounts are connected to the same location. If you and your friend are on different networks, the invitation may fail. To avoid this, have your friend log in on your Wi-Fi network and send the invite while connected. This ensures Steam can recognize both accounts as being from the same household. After the invitation is sent, log out of your friend's account and switch back to your own account. You can then accept the invitation from your account. Once accepted, Steam will officially recognize both accounts as part of the same household, and you should now be able to use Steam family sharing without seeing the error message. As an extra tip, make sure both accounts have consistent region settings and are not currently part of another Steam family group. Steam sometimes enforces a cooldown period if an account has recently left a family group, so you may need to wait a few days before trying again, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix fail to accept family invite error on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.